Mirantis OpenStack for Kubernetes, or MOSK as we call it, has a lot of components because it's built from OpenStack, which also has a lot of components in it, and every component is playing its own function or service. Right, while DRS in VMware is rather a monolithic thing, which is a big, so to say, combine, which does a lot of different functions at the same time. But still, the functional parity in between these two solutions, we believe it's like 99% there with the introduction of our new dynamic resource balancer service. We have a dynamic resource balancer service, which is essentially a Kubernetes operator, which has three major parts in it. These parts are called collector, the scheduler, the actuator. The collector aggregates the measurements from the hypervisors comprising the cluster. So basically, it reads the monitoring data. Well, in our case, in the default setup, that's Mirantis StackLite, our login monitoring alerting engine that collects this information and gives it out to collector. In addition, this scheduler service talks to OpenStack Compute, or OpenStack Nova, as it is called, to its API to get additional information about the virtual machines, such like metadata. This metadata is used to make more precise decisions about moving the VMs around. So these decisions, after they're finalized, they're handed over to the actuator service, which actually calls the OpenStack Nova API to initiate the live migration of the virtual machines from one hypervisor to another. So live migration means that all the CPU registers, all the memory, well, sometimes even the local block storage, it's getting copied as is from one hypervisor to another, just seamlessly.